Hello, friends. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is well.
So, friends, today I'm going to teach you how you can easily retrieve your Gmail password if you ever happen to forget it. Many people keep their Gmail account logged in on their mobile phones, but they don't actually know what password they used. So, in this video, I will show you the exact steps to find your Gmail account's password. So, for those of you who are already aware of this topic, I'm just saying, brother, you can watch if you wish, or you don't have to. However, for those of you who are not familiar with this subject, I'm telling you, brother, if you watch this entire video completely, then you will easily be able to retrieve your Gmail password. This is truly not a very difficult task at all. It's just a small, minor job, but many people mistakenly consider it to be a huge undertaking.
Okay? So many people are unaware of this fact.
So I'm going to show you everything very clearly. So please don't skip the video. Just keep watching it all the way through. Okay, so friends, without any further ado, let's start this video now. So friends, first what you'll do is come to your Chrome browser. Don't go anywhere else. Just come directly to your Chrome browser. So after coming to the Chrome browser, what will you do here? You'll type gmail.com. Here you will type gmail.com. Okay. You can write get Gmail account as as you know come that's fine. No problem, just write Gmail account. After writing, you'll see the Google account here. Click on that. So after clicking here, it's asking for my previous account. So what will you do now? Here you'll enter the Gmail account whose password you've forgotten. So I'll enter the Gmail account whose password I forgot. So let's say that I possess this Gmail account and I've completely forgotten its password. So what exactly did I do then? I proceeded to enter this Gmail address here. After doing that, what should I do next? I'm going to click next here. So if I click next here, you'll be able to see that it will ask for your password. It will ask for the password of your Gmail account, the one you have. But you have completely forgotten that password, haven't you? So how will you find out or recover that password now? So for that, you will notice an option here labeled forget password. Then you just need to click on this forget password. I started typing. So after you click on the forget password here, it's prompting you to enter, or rather it's asking you to try again. If you happen to remember your password, then you can re-enter it once more. All right, but there's no need for that option. What you should do instead is click on try another way. So after you click here, what you need to do is look, when you were opening your Gmail account, the number you provided at that time, it will show you the last digits of that number. So it will show you the last few digits of your number. See, whoever sees it, imagine the last number, that number has been provided here. So for that, it's telling you that you need to check your phone number. So here you must provide that phone number according to the last number shown, but giving any other number won't work. Understood? This number is mine to lama marikas. So I'm entering my number. My number has been entered here. What do I do now? You'll see an option here named send. You will click on this send. So if you click send here, a code will be sent to that number. You'll need to enter that code here. So after a moment, you'll see my code has arrived. Look, my code has just arrived. So what do I do now? I'll put the code in here. So it's 042905. So I've put in the 05 here. All right. Then what you'll need to do is you'll be able to see next right here and then just click on this next button. Okay, and so after clicking next, you will see the create password section. It's asking you to enter a brand new password here. So now you can enter any password that you wish. After you have entered the password, click next. So your password has now been successfully set. All right. So this was the process. However, many people are not aware of how to actually retrieve the password. So if you watch this video of mine from the very beginning right through to the end, you will certainly understand how to retrieve the password. All right. It's better if you haven't understood it, then please watch the video again. Then you will be able to understand how to recover your Gmail password. Is that clear? So friends, this was today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment and share your thoughts. So friends, we'll see you in our next video. Everyone, please stay well and healthy. Allah Hafiz.